So hey guys, it's me Tanuj back with another video. So in this video I'm going to review Hydrogen OS version which is beta 1 right now, and it is based on Android Pie, and this is the first build for Hydrogen OS for OnePlus 6, and I'm really excited to test it out and will tell you its pros, cons and stability. So without any further ado, let's get to it. So guys, as you can see, this is my OnePlus 6 running on the latest Hydrogen OS version which is beta 1 right now. So let me show you first of all by going to the settings and going into the about phone, and here as you can see the layout is same as Android P which you got in the DP3 of Oxygen OS version. And then as you go into the Android version, so here is the Android version 9. Android security patch level is of July 5th 2018, which is not the latest one right now, but that's okay, and everything looks fine. It is really good and working fantastic, no problem. So let's see the Easter egg. So here it is, the Easter egg, and this time people really like this Easter egg, so that's really good on the part of Google. Then another hot topic which people wanted to include in the DP4 in the latest update which OnePlus will enroll for their OnePlus 6, which can be DP4 or else I should say DP5 in terms of Google language, but we don't know, they can even enroll the stable one. So let's hope for the best. So let's come to the topic. So in button and gestures, and as you go into navigation bar and gestures, here you get your back home in which you get Android P gestures, which is really good thing that OnePlus ported it on their Hydrogen OS. Now they should port it in their future Oxygen OS version for OnePlus 6, and the alert slider even works fine, no issues there. So as you can see, so let's keep it on the silent, and as you go back again and go into the battery management, so as you can see the screen usage is 1 hour 12 minutes, and let me show you the apps which I played in this span of time. So here it is: Google Play Store, Telegram X, OnePlus Launcher, Chrome, WhatsApp, Google Play Services, YouTube and Facebook. So these are the things which I played on the Hydrogen OS till now, and here is the graph if you guys want to see. So it says that it will work till 6 hours, so that's really good, which I didn't got in DP3. The sort was not that good, so let's expect the best from the Hydrogen OS. So as I go back again and go into the home, so here you get is your latest OnePlus launcher, which is the version 3.0.0. so this is the latest one which you even got in the latest DP3 for OnePlus 6, which was Oxygen OS. Then as you go back again, and here I again saw some issues with the Hydrogen OS. Whenever I used the face unlock, it was a tad bit slower when compared to the DP3 of Oxygen OS, so that was really disappointing, don't know why though. Then let me show you the power of its speakers. So as you can see, this is the speakers sound in Hydrogen OS. Then after the speakers, let's test the VoLTE. So as you can see, the VoLTE even works fine, no issues there. And as you go back again, and these were the pretty things that I really liked in the one Hydrogen OS, and everything was working fine, and it was really good. This time I was not disappointed with OnePlus on their latest Hydrogen OS update. And as we come into the volume rockers, it is the layout of the volume rocker is same. As you can see, the media input which you got in the DP3. So yes, it really looks good that they have put some of the things of DP3 into Hydrogen OS. And lastly, this is their extra page. So here are the extra things which you want to put, so recent apps, calendars, etc. And let me give you the warning of flashing this ROM. There would be many bloatware Chinese apps, so first of all you will have to remove them, and you won't get Google apps. So don't worry, there would be the inbuilt app of the Chinese version, which is named as Market, and just search Google Play, and you will get an option of Google Play app, and just install it, and then you're good to go. But if you want to sync your contacts, then just install the Google Contacts apps here, and it would start its synchronization. So these were the things which I warned you. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, then please click on that thumbs up, and if you guys want to watch more of it, then please subscribe to my channel. I am Tanuj, signing out. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Till then, peace out.